Today I have the Quip toothbrush and I'm going to go ahead and open it. So I'm going to reach around here and I'm going to find the lift tear tab, which is at the top of the toothbrush. And I'm just going to go ahead and pull it upwards and then go along the edge of the box and open it to the side like this. And when I do, I'm able to see some reading material that's on the side of the box, and I'm just going to go ahead and open it up like this. Slides out. And what it says on here is Quip Healthy Start. Excuse me. It says Healthy Smiles Start Here. So it's some brief instructions on setup, but I'm just going to go ahead and put these to the side and go ahead and open up the box so that I can actually see the Quip toothbrush. So we pull it out and it comes in a nice case like this, and I'm able to stand it up like that. Looks fairly decent, fairly nice. A nice holder. A nice case for traveling with the Quip toothbrush. But I'm going to go ahead and open it up even further. So I'm just going to twist it like that at the bottom. And it comes off, so it's a twisty cap. Place that to the side and pull out the Quip toothbrush. I just pulled it like that. And here is a mount right here. So I believe if you want to mount this onto a wall or a mirror, you can. And so I have the Quip toothbrush, and I'm just gonna briefly show you what it looks like. On one side it says Quip right here, and this is actually a tongue scraper on this side right here, and you have the actual brush with some metal rubber bristles on the side. Really nice. And I'm just going to go ahead and turn this on before I show you other features like how to change the head of the Quip toothbrush and show how to use the toothbrush, basically, remove the battery. And I'm just going to turn it on, and I'm going to go ahead and press the Quip right here. And you can kind of hear it. It's starting to vibrate. Very nice. And to turn it off, you're just going to go ahead and find that cue again and press it and hold it for a few seconds. Alright, so that's how you turn it on and off. Now I'm going to show you how to remove the head of the toothbrush. So you just look on the back of the toothbrush and you see these two dots right here. Take that and just break it, snap it like that, and the head comes off. You can take the old head, discard of it, grab the new one, and place it into place, and just push on it until you hear it snap. Snap like that. So you replace the head of a Quip toothbrush. And now I'm going to show you how to replace the battery of a Quip toothbrush. So what I'm going to do is going to go ahead and do the method that I did before. Snap it like that, and then inside, it's a little tricky. You pull up on this device, and there is the old battery in there. Shake it out, discard of it, find a new battery. Make sure that the flat side, see that, the negative side, goes back into the toothbrush first, like that. And then you're going to take this funny looking thing that we pulled out, place this back into that part of the toothbrush. Place this back on. We just replace the head. We just replace the battery and how to turn this on. I hope this was helpful. Please subscribe to my channel. Have a good evening.